New Nintendo console? Check. Adobe and DaVinci turning editors into wizards? Yup. And Google just made docs talk. This week in tech is wild. Let's get into it. After months of speculation, Nintendo finally dropped the official word on the Switch 2, and it's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new experience. Launching June 5th for $449.99, the console packs a 7.9-inch 1080p display, and when docked, it supports 4K resolution, a first for Nintendo. The big news? A brand new C button on the Joy-Con controllers that unlocks game chat, letting players voice chat and even screen share gameplay in real time. But you'll need a Nintendo Online subscription for that. And yes, there's a built-in mic now. Another surprise, Joy-Cons now function like a computer mouse, which opens the door for smarter movement in games like golf, puzzle tiles, or even shooters. Other highlights: Mario Kart World will be the launch bundle. Donkey Kong Bonanza drops July 17. Access to GameCube's classics for Switch Online users. Backward compatibility, but only with a micro SD Express card. This is Nintendo stepping into connected social-first gaming without giving up its handheld roots. From leveling up your game time to leveling up your creative workflow. Adobe's latest update is built for speed and smarter storytelling. If you're a content creator, Adobe just gave you superpowers. Their newest update to Premiere Pro and After Effects 25.2 is stacked with AI tools designed to save time and simplify complex workflows. In Premiere Pro, meet Generative Extend. Add missing footage frames in 4K. Great for extending shots without reshoots. AI Media Intelligence. Search hours of footage using plain language, drone shots over city, and boom, it's there. Auto caption translation. Translate captions into 27 languages with just one click. Perfect for reaching global audiences. New drag and drop color presets and dynamic waveforms, making timeline editing feel way smoother. In After Effects, they've overhauled 3D motion tools with FBX support, a blazing fast preview engine, real-time HDR playback, even on laptops. This isn't just an update, it's Adobe's answer to every creator's two biggest problems: time and friction. And right behind them, DaVinci Resolve just released an update that's not just catching up, it might be leading the race. DaVinci Resolve 20 is officially here, and if you thought Adobe went hard, Blackmagic went harder. We're talking over 100 new features, most powered by AI, and all designed for editors, colorists, and sound designers who want control and speed. Here's what's exciting. AI IntelliScript builds timelines from your written script. AI Multicam Smart Switch selects camera angles automatically based on who's speaking. AI Audio Assistant creates a clean, professional mix from messy recordings. Updated Magic Mask and Depth Map make subject isolation scarily accurate. You can even convert voiceovers, stretch music, animate subtitles word by word, and upscale footage in 4K. Resolve 20 feels like having an AI co-editor by your side. This is next-gen editing right now. And while video editors are getting upgrades, Google just gave your written docs something we didn't even see coming: a voice. Yup, you heard that right. Google Docs can now generate full audio versions of your writing, meaning your documents can now literally speak. Why this matters: turn blog posts, memos, or study notes into narrated audio. Share company updates as podcasts. Repurpose written content for people who prefer to listen. You write it, Docs narrates it, and you can listen anytime, anywhere without opening a screen. This is huge for productivity, accessibility, and content creators trying to do more with less. Now let's talk money, because Visa is eyeing Apple's wallet. According to reports, Visa is offering $100 million to become the new network behind Apple Card, replacing MasterCard. If this goes through, it could mean smoother Visa integrations inside Apple Pay, new rewards and loyalty features, and more control for Apple over how users spend, save, and manage finances. Nothing's confirmed yet, but this kind of offer shows that tech and finance are colliding faster than ever. A quick tip before we go. Did you know you can scan documents right from your iPhone's Notes app? Just open a new note, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. It's super handy when you need a clean copy on the fly. No app downloads required. That's your TechCity Weekly wrap-up. New gear, smarter tools, and bold moves shaping how we play, create, and connect. Send this to someone who needs to stay ahead, and we'll catch you next week.